This is perfectly weighted, and it's a little bit leery, and I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I really do. And it skips about. Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to another car video, and an awesome car video at that. You will see behind me I have the new Hyundai i20N, obviously the i30N's baby brother, and yeah, highly anticipated. Really excited to see what this car is all about and how it fares against even its bigger i30N, just to see how it compares with other cars in its segment, things like the Fiesta ST, even the other hot hatches that we know and love. Anyone that will watch and follow our channel will know that we love our hot hatch content, so it is really highly anticipated, exciting review for me coming up. If you've got any comments, any questions, hit us up in the comment section, guys, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Let's see what it's all about, and yeah, enjoy. So yeah, we're now in the i20N, something that I feel is, for me, highly anticipated. Not necessarily completely in the market, but I think there's enough excitement for it. After Hyundai had their kind of first debut in the mental hot hatch segment, should I say, they brought obviously out the i30N, and it's definitely impressed a lot of people. So yeah, now they've brought out a little kind of tiny little super mini almost in the i20N. So, you know, knowing how good the i30N is, surely this is going to be pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to drive it for you and let you know what I think straight away, and a bit more about everything else. See what it sounds like. Hey, that's pretty good. Now, first things first, this has got a manual gearbox. Hallelujah. I am so thankful for that. I'm really pleased. Like, so many cars are still, you know, yeah, I know DSG boxed cars do cover ground much faster than a manual gearbox car. I know they do. Everyone knows that. Anyone who's got sense knows that. But do you have more fun in them? Definitely not. I don't care what anyone says. Subjective only to the sense of if you want to kind of let it do what it needs to do, you know, and make you look like a hero and be quick. It doesn't mean that DSG cars are not amazing, because they're getting more refined, more dynamic, and more incredible by the day. So they're being developed, and they're really good. I just don't think as a driver focused car you're ever going to beat a manual car. Obviously some people growing up and then our kind of younger audience will only probably be used to auto boxes, and it may be the only options they ever get when they get to the point of where they can drive. But a manual box car gives you a lot of feedback, a lot of enjoyment, a lot of a driver engagement as well, and a lot of satisfaction, I think is the right word. And yeah, more potential to potentially get things wrong and, you know, make an arse of it and you know, break stuff. But I like to break stuff sometimes. But yeah, straight away, manual gearbox car, driver modes, all you got to do is find a little button, and it's really easy. Lovely chassis, feels kind of high for a little car, but the chassis, like the i30N, stays decently or very neutral, very planted. I say not neutral because it is a nice darty rotatable car. Actually, that's why I like the i30N, and I actually know it's got a lovely turn in, and it's damn quick. This is not as powerful as the i30N. Obviously they're not going to give it as much horsepower, but I tell you what, it feels nearly as quick. And it squirms a little bit under braking, which is part of the character of these these N cars, should I say. And this is just on a basic kind of comfort mode. Let's see what it's like around here. Awesome. Yeah, that is a great car for the money. Now, this is circa kind of £25,000, but in my opinion, by standards of where things are going today, that's not bad at all. Obviously, the car looks quite small. In general, it is still quite a small car, but it's certainly not tiny. It seems like it's got quite a decent amount of space in here, and it's got a decent sized boot as well, actually. I'll give you all tech specs in the bio, guys. But it's got a lovely N steering wheel with little N mode, you know, paddles on, or buttons on the front of it as well. And you've got a little button for rev matching as well. We'll stick that on. I do like to do a rev matching myself, but let's change the mode. It's got, like I say, when you put a few packs on here, guys, it's got everything: heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's just got everything. But as a dynamic driver's car, this is such a good car. It's such a good car, guys. There wasn't anything better than the i20N for the money, and there's now nothing better than this for the money. You know, for the money. There's obviously the Fiesta ST out there. That is an incredible car as well. There probably just isn't much in it, to be honest with you. But this is a little bit more, a little bit more power, and probably a little bit more raucous, a little bit more wild as well, which I like. The interior is, some of the plastics around certain areas are not necessarily better than something like the Fiesta ST, but the steering wheel is much higher end and looks much better, and this digital display, in my opinion, looks better than anything from, you know, the Fiesta you'll see from the Fiesta ST. But yeah, it's a really fun, dynamic car. The gearbox is absolutely gorgeous. Feels like there's very little chance of misshifting. Feels really, really good. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. The engine, for the, like I say, the size and the power is sprightly. It's she revs well, and she's got plenty of response, and the chassis is just beautiful. It's just it's not neutral, which I like. If you want to be safer, you don't have a neutral car, and you just have something that's a bit more darty like this, and you have more fun. This is a darty fun car. It's a little bit leery, gets its teeth out, shows its gnashes, and lovely. It's just awesome. It was basically warning me, because if I done something a certain way, it was warning of potential engine issues if you basically over revving the car. Very clever little bit of kit. Such a nice, even on this just normal mode, guys, it's fantastic. But let's put it into sport, definitely. Rev matching doing a good job again now of rev matching. Let's see what the chassis. Yeah, steering feels a little bit heavier, feels a little more area. Yes, it's awesome. What a little car. This is a serious bit of kit. This is a serious bit of kit. Let's see what it's like around here. Yes, yes, i20. Go on, i20N. Brakes are great as well, really, really good. What a brilliant car. Suspension, perfectly dampened and perfectly weighted. Not too stiff for normal UK roads, stiff as you'd want, I'd say, but absolutely perfect for all kinds of driving, all kinds of nasty ruts and bumps and roads. There's a lot of mad hot hatches when you put it on the race modes and the Nürburgring modes. They're probably, for most people, not for me, but for most people, probably a bit too stiff. This is perfectly weighted, and it's a little bit leery, and I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I really do. And it skips about. The traction control is not too intrusive. oh, it's just a good, I mean, it's not a good car. I said it's a good car. It's not a good car. It's an excellent car. It's absolutely fantastic. Sorry, I sounded like Gary Barlow there. Yeah, what an absolute tool, and what an absolute phenomenal little car. I absolutely adore this car. Hyundai, it feels even better than the 30N. Not as quick, but still quick. But there's something about this that feels even better than the 30N. I don't know, maybe it's just lack of weight, a little bit less weight there. What an absolute little tool. Guys, if you've got any questions and you can think of anything that we haven't answered, and you've got any questions, hit us up in the comment section and let us know what what you want to ask us. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the drive as much as I have. Guys, as always, like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.